Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a great week and now a good start of the weekend. In this video, we will talk about Celestia, or the TIA token, which yesterday evening turned very, very bullish. Then I already was looking at it, and I actually I also took a trade in the signals group. We took a trade on TIA here at $3 when it did that break retest, right? So it retested that area, and after that, TIA became very, very bullish. Got up to, I would say, 3.75 as the main resistance. Touched this level right here, touched this Fibonacci extension here at the 2.618 at 3.9 as well. But now, I think it's actually very interesting because right now what happened is that Celestia really is in the middle, right? So it's still very bullish if you compare it to the prices yesterday. Like yesterday, it was very low and it rallied a lot. And compared to that, like if you take a look at it on the 4-hour time frame, still very bullish. But on the 1-hour time frame, where we get a bit more information in this case, you'll see that TIA was able to hold the psychological level at 3.5 for a couple of candles and then broke down below that. So what that basically says is it validates the level. It validates that 3.5 is a key level and then breaks down below that. That's bearish confirmation. All right. So it's I would say TIA right now is still bullish, but there are some things that have turned a bit bearish. And then the open interest. Open interest has basically flattened since for the last 8 hours or so. So for TIA, it's really in the middle. Like I would say, considering like Celestia obviously is a bit of a Binance affiliated coin, and what we've seen with coins, for example, like Cyber, is that a couple of days or at least sometime after the listing. Right here, so it got listed the 16th, and then the 30th, so 2 weeks later, it started rallying a lot. And some of these Binance affiliated coins just do that. So I would say it's more likely that TIA will actually continue this rally. The open interest also is still very high, all right? So the momentum is still, even though it's not growing, it's still very high. So I'm leaning towards saying that it's more likely that TIA will continue rallying from here, but in the end, the markets right now just are quite fragile. Bitcoin itself is at a major resistance level, and if Bitcoin starts falling down to 35,200, for example, I'm not sure if TIA is going to be able to hold up. But yeah, I think we talked about all the different things we need to know around Celestia. For now, technically, it has held the 1.618 as support here at 3.25, and the main resistance, even though it's not even that strong, is 3.5. So what needs to happen, I would say today or tomorrow, if the price just falls flat, but we need to see Celestia break above 3.5. And if it's able to do that, then I do expect a rally. First up to $4, but it could potentially, like $4 is the first price target because it is still a psychological level, but 4.5 is next. And well, if it really picks up speed, it could go very high. Like if we take a look at Cyber, we all know what Cyber did. I mean, Cyber went from $3 all the way up to $13. So is that also possible for TIA? Yes, technically. I don't expect that, but it is technically possible. For now, I think this is most likely, given the history of those Binance affiliated coins, given the open interest right now. But you should know that if TIA does not break above 3.5, then first of all, I was wrong, which is a possibility. But second of all, then it will just break down below 3.25. And if it breaks down below 3.25, it's probably over. And Celestia is just going to drop back down to 2.6. It's still going to be great, but more bearish momentum is to be expected. So that's all you should know, I think, for now. So if you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. Lastly, like I said, if you want profitable trades or if you just want to become a better trader with the premium, links to that will be down in the description. I have a premium group, a signals group. They're different, but both very valuable. Check that out if you want to. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great weekend and bye.